back to another crypto video. Hi everyone, hope you're well today. If you're new here, firstly please subscribe to the channel. Going to be doing a 1000 subscriber giveaway, a little bit of Ethereum, so do subscribe to the channel if you firstly like the content, like cryptocurrency, like refinance, and I'm sure you like all of those three things. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. So today we're going to look at Reef Finance, beefy Reef, because it's one of my favorite altcoins. It's a beautiful ecosystem of its own, and we're currently sitting at $0.023 right there. So we only have a 323 market capital, but if you look at the supply here, it's nothing too significant as well. In terms of market cap dominance, we're still at 0.01%, so I don't think we're going to see that tick over to 0.02% for a long time, but even so, we are climbing at the ranks at rank 203. So if we jump into the chart over here, guys, we can see that we had our cup and handle. We had this ascending triangle, then we tested this big resistance level over here at 0.028. And what happened is we fell back down to our Fibonacci level over here. So this is on the daily time frame, by the way. I mean, we had a massive bearish divergence, as you can see. So it was kind of expected. Look at this, high highs on the price, lower highs on the RSI itself. So it was kind of expected to have this come down with the whole entire market as a whole. Looking at the RSI now, we're sitting kind of neutral at 51, but we don't know if the sell-off is complete yet because, we could potentially see this RSI become lower. We might be in a bit of a downtrend. Maybe the bears have taken control for a short amount of time. So what I'm seeing right now on the 4 hour is that we corrected to our golden fib level at 0.188. Basically, we bounce off and we push back through into our 21-day moving average, and now we're kind of following this this diagonal support line over here, which would be kind of creating another ascending triangle. Well, more of a symmetrical triangle, actually, I suppose. So we've got a bit of a symmetrical triangle going on now. In the longer sort of term of things, this is over the last few days, so it's been a week that we've been trading in this kind of range. So we may break up to the upside and basically retest 0.028 as a resistance. I think we break up from 0.025. This would be our price target. And if we do break back down, then we have this support line over here and also at 0.19. So really, there's not a huge amount to talk about with refinance at the moment. Just keep an eye on that RSI because it's possible that we're going to come down a bit lower and maybe get another sell-off, which I wouldn't be surprised because, crypto is a wild thing. One day something is worth so much and then the next week it's on a huge discount. So what really is overvalued and what is undervalued? I guess you need to find what the mean value is, and that's your perfect buy-in entries, or ideally undervaluation, but that only happens every so often, a few times a year, so you're very lucky if you have a buy-in at that kind of stage within the cycle. So yeah, I think in the short term we're going to come up, retest 0.028, guys, or just basically come down to support at 0.021. I would like to see some more volume. We're not really getting a huge amount of volume, but the RSI is coming back up as well on the 4 hour time frame. On the hourly time frame, yeah, like I say, it's kind of like we're just trading in this symmetrical triangle at the moment, so just be very aware that we might fall below this at some point, but I'm not feeling too bearish just yet. My hopes are still very high for this great project. This is some amazing project, and that's about it really. That's a wrap for my video. If we zoom out on the daily, as you can see, we're really far away from previous all-time highs. We've got to at least get back to a 1 billion market cap. I'd like to see this, and this big green line over here is basically the trend that I think we can follow slowly if we don't rush it. I mean, we do need to come back up to 0.034 at some point and test this resistance level. But first of all, maybe we need to just trade down here for a little while because it kind of looks like we're rolling over. I mean, if you just zoom right in, you can see that these highs are just rolling over, and now we're kind of scooping back down. So yeah, let's kind of wait and see and let these support and resistance lines kind of tell us the next story. Anyway, I hope you like the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.